Hello moneymakers, check out this channel named Discover the Globe. This channel has got 100,000 subscribers in just 9 months by uploading long-form videos on their channel. There is a catch why this channel is so successful, and that is the controversial topics and multiple videos in a week. So if you look into their channel properly, you will notice that they are taking controversial and negative type of topic in their videos. The other thing is they are uploading 2 videos a day and 14 videos in a week, which is insane. So if you follow this strategy, you can definitely achieve this type of results very soon. So let's assume you uploading 2 videos a day and 60 in a month. There is a high possibility that at least 4 to 5 videos out of 60 will go viral and get high number of views, instead of uploading less and waiting for those videos to go viral. So in this video, I will show you to create such videos with the help of AI so that you can create your channel as soon as possible. Grab a cup of coffee, watch this video till the end. Alright, let's go step by step. Step 1. Finding topics. As you can observe, this channel doesn't just create simple travel videos. They focus on specific and intriguing topics that are both clickable and searchable. For instance, videos like Top 10 US Cities Overcrowded by Immigrants or 10 Countries That Hate Newcomers generate curiosity among the audience and lead to higher click rates. If you want, you can adopt this strategy for your channel. Now, you might wonder where to find these types of topics. The answer is simple. You can seek assistance from ChatGPT to generate engaging and relevant topics. Open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Generate a list of 10 or 50 unique and engaging video topic ideas for a YouTube channel focused on travel, geography, and global rankings. The topics should be similar in style to insert examples from a reference channel. You can find this complete prompt in my Google Doc, accessible through the link provided in the description. ChatGPT will then generate similar types of titles with brief descriptions, such as 10 most underrated countries to visit in 2024 and 10 most mysterious places on Earth. However, I have already added plenty of topic ideas in the Google Docs, so you won't have to exert much effort in finding clickable video ideas. You can find the Google Doc link in my WhatsApp channel. Additionally, you can uncover more searchable topic ideas by typing a few words into YouTube's search bar. For example, if I search for 10 countries where, and YouTube will automatically suggest topics that people are already searching for. This method allows you to create both browse-friendly and searchable video topics. So, these are the sources for finding better topics for your videos. Now let's move on to the next step, writing scripts. You can use ChatGPT for this, or if you're skilled at writing, you might prefer to craft the script yourself. Alternatively, you can hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Alright, as of now, let's use ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and copy this prompt from my Google Doc into it. Write a detailed, engaging, and informative YouTube script for a video title. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to produce a script in a format similar to what you've seen on reference channels. Otherwise, ChatGPT may generate a generic script that begins with the usual, "Hey everyone, welcome to my channel," and so on. Alright? To demonstrate the process, I'll choose this topic for my video. Top 10 fastest growing states in the United States. And just like that, ChatGPT provides me with the perfect script tailored to my needs. The script includes a captivating hook, a strong introduction, and substantial content. However, you can also conduct your own research on your topic to add more information, making your script stand out from the rest. Now that our script is ready, let's move on to the next step, voiceover. For voiceovers, you can use your own voice if you feel confident enough. If not, you can use AI tools, but ensure that the voice does not sound robotic. It should sound completely natural. For this, I'll be using DupDub AI, which offers a variety of options that sound very natural. Once you log in, you'll get a 3-day free trial to use the service. After logging in, select the AI voiceover option from the dashboard. If you wish, you can also create a voice clone, which will sound even more natural and unique. You can use the feature Instant Voice Cloning for this purpose. For now, let's proceed with the AI voiceover. First, select the voice by choosing the language, gender, and age. You can also choose from different categories tailored to various fields.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for...
I'm selecting Liam's voice for my project.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Once you've selected the voice, you can also adjust where you might need longer pauses, which gives you the option to customize the pacing further. After setting it up, just click Generate.
What if I told you the American dream is alive and thriving, but maybe not where you expect? While some states are losing people, others are booming. Businesses are growing, populations are soaring, and new opportunities are popping up everywhere. Today, we're looking at the top 10 fastest growing states in the United States.
You'll find many more settings, such as adjusting the speed and pitch, to make the voice sound perfectly realistic. Once you're satisfied, click Export and download the voiceover. And that's it. Our third step is complete. Now, let's move on to the final step, editing. If you're new to editing, you can use Canva because it offers a range of features like footages, ready-made templates, and text effects. Alternatively, you can choose any other editing tool if you prefer. If you want a simple editing process, start with Canva and then use CapCut for the final touches. Now let's learn how to do this. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Then from the dashboard, select the video icon. Then choose the YouTube video format from the available options. First, import your voiceover and then add it to the timeline. Next, go to the Elements section to find footage related to your script. For example, if my topic is related to America, I will search for America footage here. If you are using another editor, you can download footage from there and add it to your video. You can also find footage on sites like Pexels or Pixabay. After adding the footage, right-click on the page to split it and then add another footage.
But maybe not where you expect.
As you work on your script, keep adding footage that matches each location mentioned. You can adjust the video's speed easily from here. Then, when you reach a part of the script that introduces a title, like, let's find out the top 10 fastest growing states in the US. So for this, I will go to the Design section and pick a nice template from the options available. I will go with this one. First, I will replace this footage with new footage of America. Then, replace the existing text on the template with your new title. You can customize this title by adding effects and animations to make it stand out. Also, use the same template to add more pages and text as needed.
State on the list? Let's find out.
Next, choose a different template for listing the states and add videos of each state in the background of those templates. This gives your video a more dynamic feel. Whenever there's a chance to include text that explains more about what's being shown, add that in too. This way, you have to use multiple templates effectively to make your video look professional and engaging. In the text section of Canva, you'll find a variety of text effects to choose from. You can adjust the color, effect, and animation according to your preferences. Then, you can add some elements or graphics to enhance your video. For example, if my script talks about growth, I would search for a growing graph graphic. After adding it to my video, I'd remove the background to make it blend smoothly.
Utah's population grew by 1.5%.
You can also add images relevant to the topic being discussed. Just download the images from Google and upload them to your video project. Adjust the timing for when these images appear. To give your video a more professional feel, you can add camera shutter sound effects at key moments. Just use sound effects. If you want to use music, you'll need to connect your channel to Canva to avoid copyright claims. Sound effects are safe to use without this concern. Use text, elements, and templates to complete your video. Finally, choose good background music from the YouTube audio library and add it to your project. Remembering to keep the volume low. After finishing your edits, click Share and download your video. Then import it into CapCut. Add your video to the timeline. First, Go to the text section and select the auto caption option to generate subtitles. Then, go to the template section and choose any template. Make sure it's not too funky. You can adjust the fonts, font colors, and sizes there. Next, click on your video, right-click, and select Split Scene. Your video will automatically be cut scene by scene. Now, go to the Transitions section and start adding transitions between each clip. Add different transitions and see if they fit well with the video. If it fits, leave it as is, otherwise try a different one. You can also explore the effects and filters options. It might feel a bit challenging for the first 5 or 6 videos, but once you understand the entire process, you'll be able to create a complete video in just a few hours. And that's how you can make a unique travel video. If you've learned even a little from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you want more videos like this, please let us know in the comments and don't hesitate to ask any questions. Now let's watch the demo video we made.
What if I told you the American dream is alive and thriving, but maybe not where you expect? While some states are losing people, others are booming. Businesses are growing, populations are soaring, and new opportunities are popping up everywhere. Today, we're looking at the top 10 fastest growing states in the United States. Is your state on the list? Let's find out. Number 10, Utah. Utah kicks off our list with its mix of beautiful landscapes and a strong economy. In 2023, Utah's population grew by 1.5%, thanks to its growing tech sector, called the Silicon Slopes. Big companies like Adobe and Qualtrics are here, attracting workers from all over. With amazing skiing, hiking, and a family-friendly vibe, Utah is a great place to live. Number 9, Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, including its growth. Businesses love Texas for its low taxes and affordable housing. Cities like Austin and Dallas are becoming tech hubs, and Houston is big in energy and healthcare. Over 400,000 people moved to Texas last year, drawn by job opportunities and a diverse culture.